God and mentions all the incidents what had happened there, and he seeks 100 pesos from God. He takes a letter himself and carry to town and place in the mailbox. In this letter he mentions to God, if the God does not help him, his family and he will go hungry this year. So he needs 100 pesos in order to sow his field again. So look children, here Lencho is not begging 100 pesos from the God to survive. He seeks 100 pesos from God to sow it again. So this is the willpower of that farmer. Even though he is a poor farmer, he is not begging a money from others. At last, at the end, he writes to God on the envelope. So he puts the letter inside and goes to town. At the post office, he places a stamp on the letter and drops it into the mailbox. And he returns to his home. Later, a postman, one of the employees, finds the Lencho's letter when he tries to bundle the letters. Suddenly, he picks up a letter. He carries that letter to his boss, laughing heartily, because he never seen that kind of letter which is addressed to God. So that he eagerly carries that letter to his boss. First, his boss also, the postmaster, a fat, amiable fellow, also starts to laugh. But almost immediately he turns serious and taps the letter on his desk and comments, what faith that man has in God. So, like that, he says, because in their career they never seen that kind of letter, because that letter has the address to God. He praised the man who wrote this letter. So that in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster comes up with an idea. First, the postmaster decides to give a reply to Lencho's letter, but he thinks that that will not be the resolution for that letter. So he thinks to give the money to Lencho, so that he starts to ask money from his employees, and he himself gives part of his salary, and several friends of his are obliged to give something for an act of charity. It is all done not for Lencho. It is all done only for the faith he has in God. And it is not possible for the postmaster to gather all the amount 100 pesos. So he is able to send the farmer only a little more than half. More than half means, so more than 50, because Lencho asked God to send 100 pesos, but postmaster gathered only more than half. He put the money in an envelope and addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature, God. Listen, here postmaster doesn't mention his name. He has written only God. So we want to understand the feeling of the postmaster as well as Lencho's. After a week, that means the following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there is a letter for him. It is the postman himself who hands the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Now, all the employees in the post office are eagerly waiting to see the surprise from the Lencho side. But Lencho doesn't show any slightest surprise on seeing that money. Why? Because that much of faith and confidence he has in God. Rather than to get surprised, he becomes angry when he counted the money, because he says that God will not do any mistake, nor he would not deny Lencho's request. Immediately, Lencho goes to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he starts to write a letter to God again, with much wrinkling of his eyebrow. That means he is in anger. He completes the letter and he goes to the window to buy a stamp, which he licks and affixes to the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter falls into the mailbox, the postmaster hurriedly goes there and opens it. It says, God, of the money that I ask for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Do you understand, students? Here, Lencho mentions the employees of the post office are bunch of crooks. That means cheaters. But Lencho didn't know that persons only helped him by giving 70 pesos. But in the side of Lencho, we want to understand the emotion and the confidence that he has in God. So that much of love and hope he has in the God. Thank you.